In today's class, we will learn about present perfect tense. In this video, we will learn what is present perfect tense, examples of present perfect tense, where to use has, have in the present perfect tense. Branches of present perfect tense, formation of present perfect, positive, negative, and interrogative. Present perfect tense taken place in the past but have a connection with present. We do not specify the exact time that the action had taken place in when using the tense. For example, they have worked in the field. He has written a story. I have taken my lunch. Present perfect tense is further divided into three types. Number 1, present perfect positive. Number 2, present perfect negative. Number 3, present perfect interrogative. Let's learn the formation of present perfect positive, negative, and interrogative sentences. To make a positive sentence, we have to follow this formula: subject plus has or have plus verb's third form plus object. For example, I have washed my hands. To make a negative statement, we have to use this formula: subject plus has not or have not plus verb's third form plus object. For example, she has not gone to the party. To form an interrogative sentence, we will apply this formula: has or have plus subject plus verb's third form plus object plus question mark. For example, have you participated in the function? Let's have a look where to use has or have in the present perfect tense. With all the singular nouns and pronouns, we will use the word has. For example, Tim has, she has, he has, it has. With all the plural nouns and pronouns, we will use the word have in the present perfect tense. For example, Park and Peter have, we have, you have, they have, I have. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon for more updates.